Payosin ko na.
Coach, you want to see?
Oo, muna kayo.
Payosin muna, coach. Isipin ni Peter.
Statement, coach.
Relax lang.
Nakaka-tense ba, coach?
Takihin ako sa mga batang ito.
Borger Mina.
Borger Mina, coach.
A great game. You know, more than Borgi. He struggled the first half. I had to yell at him a couple of times, even at halftime. I had to chew him in the dugout, and you know, he delivered. You know, I'm going to give it to him. He exerted a lot of effort, and you know, it's Borgi. It's Borgi. He's coming back. Babalik at babalik si Borgi, and I'm just so happy for him. Make that exciting shot at the buzzer, and also my guys coming off the bench. Dave Marcelo played big. Jake Chico played great basketball, very smart. Also nailed one jumper, and Bang Bang naka 3 points yan. So you know, collectively, you know, those guys really played. Sabi ko nga on my post game, they they showed a lot of character and a lot of heart in this game. They really poured everything in this game, and that means, you know, these guys deserve to be number one.
How does it feel being number one again?
Well, number one naman kami.
Talagang ito,
Parang sinasabi mo number two kami.
may emphasis na to.
May emphasis na.
Hindi ba siguro parang temporary?
Well, it's nice to be on top, you know. It's we have more time to prepare for our next opponent, whoever it's gonna be. So we'll have a good
1 week rest.
few days rest. 1 week ba o mga 9 days? Ano ba ang bilang nyo?
Mga ganun, mga 1 week minimum.
Minimum, mga max. Ang bilang ko, mga 9 days.
Coach, what happened to Sam Ector? Ba't po limited lang yung time?
Pwede ko bang hindi sagutin naman? No,
No comment.
Well, first half, he wasn't playing well. So, third quarter, gave him a chance again. Hindi masyado nag-deliver, so I just stuck with the Dave. Dave, obviously was playing very well. Defensively, you know, made block shots, rebound, crucial rebounds. I gotta give it to Dave.
Coach, in regulation, less than 2 minutes remaining, 6 points down. Anong naisip mo?
Well, mirakulo siguro.